We are at Dilchunar Public School, DSNR branch, the first of our branches. It was established 42 years ago, and our only motto is to provide holistic education to all our students. And today, this is a showcase of academic skills of our students, whereas in most of the schools, they neglect languages. But here, it is a showcase of all subjects along with languages, and this is the specialty of our school. Here you can see in most of the schools you have education which is confined only to classrooms and textbooks. But here in DPS we have classroom knowledge and then the practical knowledge which they apply. So today this showcases our students' talent beyond the classrooms. In classrooms they study from the books, and here they are implementing what they have studied and showcasing it to us. And I'm really impressed with our students' projects where according to their age they have done their designs on their own, implementing what they have learned in the schools, and I'm really totally impressed. And you can see the talent they are showcasing in across all the subjects in English, math, science, social, Telugu and Hindi. Even in the languages, they are showcasing their their literature experience, which in none of the schools they focus so much on the languages. I'm really proud of the students here for the holistic development, and this is what we want to showcase the parents, the holistic development that we focus mostly, and also the importance we give for each and every subject. And here the more important, mostly each and every child here is involved in some or the other subject, and that is the talent showcase of a particular student. And I would take a moment to appreciate all the parents for their trust uh, they have shown towards us, and put their children in our hands, and we are really happy to give them the developed child. And I appreciate our teachers also for encouraging our students and doing their best in the projects today. Thank you.